So, if you look this way, תסתכלו בצד הזה, so we want to make sure that the side of this hip is firm. So I want you to make it more firm, like down dog, a little bit. Yes. And keep it like that. Take your hand to the block. Put a little bit more weight on the inside of your foot. So all the weight's going to the outside. All the way. You can. Come on. Now put your hand on your, yes. And now give me a long line of energy. Belly, sternum, crown of the head forward. Okay, give me more weight on the inside of the foot. Okay, now I want you to do a big handstand here. So I want you to move this shoulder away from the block. Come on. I want you to do a handstand. Yeah, it's a handstand here. And when you open the chest, you open it by stacking the shoulder over the bottom one. Okay, make sure your hips didn't move. Okay, now take the arm straight up. Okay, now give me a handstand with this shoulder. So I want you to lift. Straight up. Straight up. And take the bottom tips of your shoulder. Oh, okay. So take the bottom tips of the shoulder blades into the body, and like we did in the beginning of the class, spread them. So you feel like you're doing a handstand off that bottom shoulder. You see them? Okay.